Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, every family has one of these, and every classroom anywhere in the world, in Nigeria, everywhere has one of these. The family idiot, the classroom dunce, that is a dunce. Everybody knows he's a dunce, and we really think we should do something about him or her, but he's so funny or she's so funny that we just think, oh, he or she is harmless, let's just leave him or her alone. Now, the family dunce, the class dunce in the Nigerian space is, of course, Dino Melaye. So we all agree on that. I don't think anybody is really disputing that. The clown of the class, the clown of the society, the village idiot in the Nigerian firmament is firmly Dino Melaye. There's no disputing that. So guys, I bring you this. I am afraid of the violent revolution of the poor. Perilous times loading, Senator Dino Melaye tweets. So I am afraid of violent revolution of the poor. Perilous times loading, Senator Dino Melaye tweets. Now guys, I am going to read you the tweet, but before I read you the tweet, I am going to show you an example of Senator Dino Melaye and what he is speaking about.
Continue discussion. Here, let's see the camera.
So guys, there you saw in that clip Senator Dino Melaye in all of his opulence and bravado living the life of a Saudi prince. So he's living the life of a Saudi prince with all of the wealth of a Saudi prince, even though he's just a senator from Kogi West or Kogi East or wherever he is from Kogi State, a backwater state by the way, because Kogi State is not Lagos State, is not Oyo State, is not River State, is not Abuja, it's just a middle of the road state. And this Ferrari and Lamborghini and Bentley and mansions that this guy has acquired is off the back of that. So that then gives more pungency to this headline that I am going to read you again. I am afraid of the violent revolution of the poor. Perilous times loading, Senator Dino Melaye tweets. So now let's go to the body of the tweet. I am afraid of the revenge of the poor. It happened in Russia, France, and recently in Sudan. It can happen in Nigeria. Housing segregation puts us, the elite, in jeopardy. Ikoyi, Banana, Maitama, Asokoro, etc. Our leaders plus me, beware of violent revolution. Perilous times, loading. And they signs it off with SDM. I don't know what SDM means, but it probably means Senator Dino Melaye. So now let's go into the body. Actually, before we go into the body of the tweet, let me just show you an example of Dino Melaye when he was in the House of Rep. Because you remember that Dino Melaye, he went from university straight to the House of Representatives where he was a hooligan, and then he went from the House of Representatives to the Senate where he continued to be a hooligan. So let me show you this clip.
True to form, Dino would not hear of it. He tore the other paper that Honorable Bauer was reading from and started blowing on a whistle.
So there you saw that quick clip of Senator Dino Melaye in his full element in the House of Representatives, acting like the hooligan that he has always been all of his life. And you will recall also in 2017 or thereabout, when he was threatening Tinubu's wife, I think Olaremi or something, I think it's Remi Tinubu, her name is, who is a senator in the House of Representatives, that was going to beat her up and impregnate her and all that nonsense, even though the woman is in her 50s. So you know already what this guy is about. So he's now come up with this tweet about the poor's revenge. And this is now how the people of Nigeria are responding to this idiot's tweet. So I'll bring you some of the comments that comes under that tweet. So let's go into the comment section, which is always a good place to get the feel of how Nigerians are responding to a particular situation. So let's go to this guy first. He goes by the hashtag Ghost. So that's his name. So let's see what he has to say. For people like you and your state governor, we lock people destiny inside on a compound. So that's his response, that the perilous times are coming to you especially, and don't think you are exempt because you are making all this empty-headed noise on social media. Who is an double Brian or double brain? No, double Brian, I think. Yeah, double Brian. Dino, you are one of the casualties. None of the senators since 1999 will be spared. Tracker has opened the eyes of Nigerians on how you thieves are using constituency projects allocations to buy houses in Dubai and exotic cars. The courses you people are raining on yourselves and household, You hear preaching and claiming saint with a watch. So the people are reckoning for him. So he thinks he's exempt, but he's certainly not, because the people, we have all their names and their numbers is what the people are saying. And when we come for all of them. Mario is the next hashtag. If slavery that was done by the whites could reach an end, then this day he talks about will surely come. Beware. So that one comes up with a threat. Anonymous, hope it won't be too late. Resources depleting. So this one is saying hope they wouldn't have chopped the country dry before the people wake up. Another anonymous, of course you will be the first target. What exactly did you, since you left school, to that should be what exactly did you do, but what exactly did this person write? So I'll read it properly. What exactly did you do since you left school to acquire all those state-of-the-art cars in your house? So this one is not pointing directly to him. And Dino, by the way, is a first class, is a grade A idiot. He will tell you that he went to Harvard and he went to Oxford all at the same time. So he was flying from America to London to attend lectures. That he was also doing a course in Ahmadu Bello University as well. So so he's an idiot. We all know that. And then this guy is now saying, what has a person like you done to acquire all these Ferraris that you are flashing and you are showing off and you are rubbing in the faces of people who are who are having to sell their soul to earn a living, to not even to earn a living, just to feed, because they are not even earning a living anymore. People are just now in like a state of nature. It's just substantive living in Nigeria now. People are just looking to feed. They are just looking for food now. You are flashing all this Ferrari. You are trying to play Mr. Saint by posting ridiculous tweets on the internet to act as though you are exempt from the looting. What job have you done since you left school, or what industry are you functioning in? What business are you doing to have all these fleets of cars that will make the eyes of a Saudi prince water in Kogi state? You are having the opulence, you're having more opulence, more wealth, and more largesse than the Saudi prince in Kogi state. And you are saying that, the people are fighting corruption. Are you not the corruption that the people are fighting? So this is what this guy is saying in his tweet, or in his response rather to Dino's tweet. So let me just read you a couple more, because sometimes I just get angered by some of these things sometimes. This is what Ife has to say. Dino, change starts with you. Sell your luxury luxury cars, Bentley, Bugatti, G-Wagon, share the money to the poor. So yes, that would be a start, wouldn't it? But that would never happen. This is what Balama Mala says. Balama Mala, you are afraid of the revolution of the poor, or are you advocating for a revolution of the poor? So that one is now asking him to be a bit more precise. So really, I'm not going to go through too many more, but you get the gist. Really, this guy is almost taking the piss. Really, you a looter and a non-looter, and you rub it in the nose of the people, and you are not saying, "Oh, the poor, oh, they might be angered though that I am stealing from them, and I am brutalizing them and exploiting them and chancing their daughters and their wives," you know. So it's just crass. But then you'd expect this from Dino Melaye, because as I said at the start, this is the clown idiot, the class idiot, the village clown, the village idiot of the Nigerian firmament. So you'd expect this sort of level of idiocy from this guy. This is the guy. Did you see the fleet of cars that were in his house? And this is the idiot that is now coming down to say the poor would revolt. Who exactly would the poor be revolting against, if not you, the icon, the poster face? After Babangida and Obasanjo and Tinubu, then we go to the categories of Dino Melaye, because these are the real criminals, you know. So who exactly is he saying that the poor will revolt against, if not him? So this is the guy just taking the piss out of the Nigerian people effectively. I'm sorry to get a bit carried away, but he is taking the piss. He's now pointing in your face, doing that eye thing that we do, that Obi is doing. Oh God, man, I give up sometimes. It's just ludicrous. This idiot is saying the poor will revolt, you know. Anyway, let me end it here. Conversations in the comment section, but before you come join me in the comment section to have a conversation about this, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button so you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me in the comment section. Let me know what you are making of this thing that Dino Melaye, this is a clown. I've already said that, so I'm not going to quote that. You know what my sentiments are. What are your sentiments? Conversation in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.